Are you drowning in overwhelmment, swamped with mail, post-its, receipts, and napkin notes, losing track of time and drawing blanks when attempting to recall your 20-plus usernames and passwords to various subscriptions and apps, trying to function like a normal person whilst having at least 17 mental tabs open simultaneously? Well, I've got news for you. This used to be me too. That's right, I had misplaced planners, neglected to-do lists that faded into obscurity, and downloaded a ton of productivity apps that I never quite opened and forgot I downloaded altogether. Not to mention a goldmine of dreams and ideas that hadn't seen the light of day. Instead, they were just sitting on the back burner for years and eventually got lost in the sauce. This was my personal life, guys. That is until I implemented several tips in my tools that helped me switch things up and get my life all the way together. And I'm sharing it all with you here. Now, although these tips and tools were an absolute game changer for me, I still had to do my part and implement healthy lifestyle changes to maximize the benefits of my own life management system. This is where my simple but life-changing life hacks come into play. The most pivotal, restructuring how I organize my life. I know, that sounds pretty loaded, but hear me out here. It's not. Main reason why is because I did a lot of the preliminary work for you. Because yes, even the most organized adult gets overwhelmed with life's day-to-day responsibilities sometimes. Raising my hand here because yes, I am talking about me. Let's face it, the harsh reality is that adulting isn't as glamorous as it seemed to be when we were kids. And I don't know if you've noticed, but it's work, people. Hard work. And to be completely honest, it's pretty damn difficult to manage work-life balance without systems and tools put in place to assist. It's just the facts, people. There's always something that needs to get done. And it isn't until you realize that something's gotta give where you start to think, I gotta work smarter and not harder. Cue in my ultimate digital planner paired with my personal digital Trello board. I literally work tirelessly behind the scenes to develop a comprehensive digital planner that includes everything that I need to focus on while helping me to be better. And I've paired it with my own personal digital Trello board that stores all of my very boring but very important and necessary information. Now, if you don't know what Trello is, but are like me who's a visual learner that needs things broken down to simplicity, then you'll love it. It's pretty much a Kanban method, also known as an organizational strategy that uses visual boards to manage productivity. It's a simple but proven productivity strategy that is perfect for visual learners like us. So guys, these have been my secret weapons in getting my business, work, life, and crap together. And I'm sharing it with you so you too can jump on the bandwagon. Aren't you sick and tired of feeling behind? Or just sick and tired of being sick and tired? Listen, it's about time you too get yourself together and go from cluttered mind to clear peace of mind. I'm telling you, my tools revolutionize the way I sorted my business, my job, my days, my months, and even my trips. So don't overthink it and just do it. Seriously, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So ditch the stress and embrace success. Go from procrastination to progress and turn that maybe later into right now. Make it happen because you got this. The link is in my bio, along with a link to my blog for the remaining tips that took me from mess to managed.